Most cyclists pay $1,000 extra for a carbon frame thinking it buys massive speed. But mathematically, it only saves about 20 seconds on a major climb. The 2026 Giant Contend AR1 is a premium aluminum bike for $1,500, weighing 9.5 kilos. The Carbon Giant Defy Advance 2 costs $2,500 and weighs 8.5 kilos. You are literally paying $1,000 to save 1 kilogram. Here is the math most buyers ignore. On a brutal 10-kilometer climb at an 8% grade, dropping 1 kilo saves you exactly 20 seconds. Paying $1,000 for 20 seconds is frankly terrible value. Bike brands insist carbon rides significantly better, but modern hydroformed aluminum, like the Trek Domain AL, or the women's Live Avail, rides incredibly smooth with the right setup. Here is the reality. Tire pressure matters 5 times more than frame material. Running 32mm tubeless tires completely erases the harsh aluminum myth that local bike shops still use to aggressively upsell you. Let's talk about the nightmare scenario, crashing. An aluminum frame dents but usually survives. A crashed carbon frame cracks. While carbon can actually be repaired for $200 to $500, a full frame replacement costs up to $2,000. That is a massive hidden risk. However, carbon has 2 huge long-term advantages. First, aluminum has a finite fatigue life, around 100,000 kilometers before the metal gets tired. Carbon does not fatigue. Second, when you sell it, carbon holds its value significantly better percentage-wise. This pricing structure is being disrupted right now. In 2026, Chinese direct-to-consumer frames like the $1,200 Windspace SLC 2.0 rival $3,000 legacy carbon frames, completely changing the math. Here is the Lab 4 run verdict. Under $2,000, buy premium aluminum and spend the $500 savings on carbon wheels. Over $3,000. Carbon is definitely worth it. In that $2,000 to $3,000 trap. An elite aluminum frame with electronic shifting beats heavy, entry-level carbon every time. Buy for your reality, not the marketing's. Ride hard.